Hey everyone, and welcome back to the Oh So and So. Well, today I got a wild hair. Alrighty. So I decided that I was going to drive to Murfreesboro, Tennessee. Now, they have Antiques 1, and literally right next door is Antiques 2. So it's been a while since I've been in here. We'll see what they have or if I can film. Bye. Alrighty, guys. I'm inside and yay, they don't play music. These two malls have been open for over 30 years.
They're just so pretty.
So you never can tell what's going to be here. Of course, today I'm kind of looking for vintage. That one's cute. I don't know. When you guys shop in a big mall like this, do you look at everything first and then go back and pick out what you want? Or do you pick it out then? Oh, that's cute. Alright, let's go fast because there's definitely a lot here. And if I can, oh wait, I see vintage Christmas. Let's see. Oh, I see. I got a hairball. These are pretty. Let's see how much they are. 22. Yep. I used to make those years ago. Alrighty. And you know what? There is one plate that I have been looking for years. And wouldn't that be something if I could find it? Okay. I don't think I'm gonna have a hard time. Ooh, look at that one. That one's unique. Let's see how much that one is. $10. Well, yeah. I have a champagne taste on a beer budget. Okay, now I see where I want to go. Into the Christmas room. Oops, sorry about my hand. I got excited. Let's see. Okay. Let me keep looking. Oh, that's cute. Alrighty. I have to remember not to sling you. All right, let's go this way. Now I found some good stuff in here. Look at that. You need a phone booth? Cool. Now that's what I'm talking about. And that pie safe. Alrighty guys, how much you think it is? Let's see. Oh my goodness, what a steal. Look, it's originally $400, then $350, now $295. It's pretty. Got a place for that. Oh, now wait. Okay. I need to stay focused. And I'm going to tell you something. It is so hard to... I don't think that's a real old one, but what do I know? Let's quickly... That's kind of cool. How nice would that be for your earrings, necklaces? Nice. Of course, I don't have that much jewelry. I've never really been a jewelry person. I had to finally tell my husband to stop buying me jewelry. Alrighty, vintage Christmas. Where are you? Oh. I can't see what the price has. What? Look at that one. Oh, I think that one is 126. Oh. How are you doing today?
Hunky-dory, I reckon, trying to
Hunky-dory, I love it.
get away from turkeys and into Santas or Christmas.
I know. We jump for long. We'll be doing Valentine's and Easter.
I know it jumps, but you gotta get a head start.
Oh yeah.
In this business. I got
Okay. Now, let's see. I think I spotted. Oh, wait. What's this? Alrighty, guys. I'm gonna do a quick shopping. If I find anything, I'll show you out in the little truck. So, hold on. And I will be back. Hell, anything in here? Whoa, here we go. That's not bad. Alrighty, guys. Okay, guys, several hours later, but I did pretty good. I could definitely say that I bought my Christmas present. But I'll start off with the small stuff first. And don't forget to get these, okay? Don't forget to get those. Okay, so let's see. Bottle brush tree, Heather. Another $8. I'm on a roll. At Antique Agenda, Heather Elizabeth. We emailed back and forth, and she's looking for the bottle brush trees also. She wants the light pink and the cream. So far I found her 2 cream. So we'll see if she wants them or not. And if not, I can always incorporate them in my house. And I found these. You know, it's gotta be red. They were $3 and $3 each. Okay, so then, now let me just look at this tag before, because I know you don't want me to, where is it? Okay, alrighty, so I got 2 Santas. They're paper mache, so you know they're old. This one that has more red. Look at how beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. I gave $85 for him. He's a good buy. Okay, so then there was another one. And fortunately, the lady that was working in the booth, she was there. And so, you know, you get to talking to them and everything. And I told her I'd like to see the Santa in her case. And so she had to go get the key, and she came back, and I looked at it, and I'm like, oh yes, I like it. Of course, you know I'm always going to ask, can you do any better? So I got this one for $105. She came off $15, which that's a nice price. I mean, when you find something that's this old, okay, guys, now the Antique Center 2 is literally right next door. So I'm gonna pause this. If they have music on there, I can't film. But if they don't, I will film a little bit there. So let's go see what happens. Alrighty, guys, that didn't take too long. Literally, pull out of one space, you pull around the corner, and there you have it. We're gonna go in, see what kind of vintage they have. Alrighty. I'm gonna stop here just in case they have music. Alrighty, guys. We're inside. There's a lot of booths in here. I'm on the hunt for vintage Christmas. That's cool. Let's see what that is. Well, if you had a black and white kitchen, those would be perfect. Alrighty. What is this? It's 10. Well, it's kind of hard to do it with one hand, but that's neat. I don't think it's old, but it definitely looks old. That's sweet. Huh. $3.50. What do you think? Alrighty. Oop, oop. Alrighty. I gotta stay focused. I get in an antique shop and I just go. Alrighty. It's a great shop. These are cool. Let's see how much this guy is. $6.99. He's not old, but he definitely looks primitive. Okay, so I got the camera. I went to the thrift shop this morning. Very disappointed. I think I came out with a tripod for my camera and turkey, salt and peppers. But you can't be, lucky every time, right? Oh, me. Old toys. Cute. Look at that little mixer. Look at that. Everything must go. Now there you go. Alrighty. Now. Now, ladies, this is what you need to do. Perfect. There you go. You have a lot of jewelry. Make these balls. I would love to be able to find those dishes. I don't know if I'm ever going to be able to. What's this? Well. That's kind of different. I like that. I love it when they use the doors for dividers. Vintage clothes. There you go. Oh, here we are. Even if you don't use that, it would be great for display. And these are great if you have the leftover stems. And you could also put candy canes. That's not a bad price. I got some of these. I know you guys are glad that I finally figured out how to edit videos and splice them together. What's that in the corner? Uh-oh. I love those baskets. I mean, I've had several sets. What's this little one? That's sweet. Does that say $9.88? Oh, that's different. We'll set it up. Okay. gonna go over here and look in the corner. Games. Okay. Let's just see what it says. Oh, they're individually priced. That's a good looking basket. How much is the sled? $72.88. That must be his thing. Yeah. 88. I have never seen pricing like that before. Never. I guess there's a first for everything. Oh my goodness, guys. Alrighty. An idea for next year. Start collecting jars like this. I saw in the other antique mall where they had all kinds of glass containers like that. And they put all kinds of candy in there. Okay. It's pretty. Looky. George and Martha Washington. Oh, look at that cute little hat. Oh my goodness. How much is it? 20. How sweet is that? Alrighty. Here we go. You know what time it is? It's howdy doody time. Okay. Alrighty, guys. So, I'm going to get off here. There's a few things that I'd like to pick up, and I'll show you then when I get in the little truck. Alrighty. Okay, guys. We're back. Here is the card for this antique shop. So if you're anywhere close by, check them out. Very, very nice. Okay, so I got several things. Let's see. Okay, so the first thing that was $6 is, look, the little pilgrim boy and girl candle. But look at the bottom. Look at that. Originally 10 cents. How sweet. Here's the little girl. $6. I didn't think that was too bad. And then, okay, so these two little boxes with the little ornaments in it. If you saw my video of me doing the little trees in the hall, these will be perfect on that. Plus, I can display the little boxes. So these were $18 a piece. Very nice. I didn't show you the other back one. Okay, so, and then, okay, I got a tablecloth. It wasn't Christmas. But it made me think about summer. And of course, red and white. Hello. But it's not going to completely cover my table, but it'll be like, you know, like that, where you still see some of the wood, which will be perfect. And then, oh yeah. And then, let's see, I gave, okay, so this was $12. I'm gonna dump the mice, maybe. Oops, yep. Okay, I gotta get that off the floor. But I thought this would be perfect with one of those Santas that I got at the other one. And I think these are both the same. But they got cute little tails. So, I don't know what I'll do with them. Let me get this. You know, hey, guys, it's real. Alrighty, and then, what else did I get? Oh, the matches. Look. And I know you guys have seen this before. So, I definitely can open this one up. But I've never had, there's 8 of these with the box. Let's see if I can open it. Oh, there we go. There we go. See? Cute. Wow. It says on the side of it, let me get that in there. It says on the side, February 1965. Perfect. Of course I didn't get that on there right, but there. Cute. Okay, let's see. You know, I had to stop at Chick-fil-A before I got here. Let me get some of my Diet Coke. Hold on. Yummy, yummy. Okay. So, I'm about 25 minutes away from Bell Buckle. So, I got to get with it because I'll only have just a little while there to look around. So, let's get to Bell Buckle. Okay, guys. So, we're almost to Bell Buckle. And this is the cutest town. Sorry. I'm not used to photographing while look at that. Okay. Gotta go over the railroad tracks.
Arrived.
Sweet. Yes. Okay, you see that cafe? Yum, yum. And this is where we're going down here. Billy Phillips General Store. Parking out front. What do you think, guys? I'm telling you, it is definitely worth the trip. I think you'll definitely enjoy it. There are all kinds of little shops here. Okay, back down this way. Around the corner is an ice cream shop. The Bluebird ice cream. Oh, it is so good. Alrighty, guys. So, we're going to get out and we're going to go in. If Billy doesn't have any music playing, I'll film some in there. And definitely if I find anything. Alrighty. Alrighty, guys. We're inside. Look at all this good stuff. I absolutely love coming to his shop. And look at this. Oh my guys, I am drooling already. Hold on, let me pick him up. Does he have a price tag? No. Stay there.
You doing good?
I'm doing good. How are you doing?
It's a good day.
It is a good day.
If you have a question, please shout.
Oh, yes. Now, they have a RC and Moon Pie Festival here. So, guys, if you get a chance and you're anywhere close to Murfreesboro, Shelbyville, check this store out. I need to look at those. I need numbers on my house. Perfect. And I love the old material. Look how pretty she is. Look. Oh my. Alrighty, guys. So, I'm going to put this phone down so I can shop. But when I'm finished, I will definitely show you what I purchased. Alrighty, guys. So last night I got in very late after shopping in Bell Buckle. I want to show you Billy Phillips, the card. It's the Phillips General Store. He has a lot of unique items there. So if you get a chance, if you're anywhere near Bell Buckle, check it out. It is a fun day if you want to stay there. And they also have cafes. They have bed and breakfast. It is a fun trip. All right, so I got this little guy there. I thought he was sweet. And he was $12.99. I dropped the tag. I also got a vintage holly stem, and it was $6.95. But I also wanted to show you the original sticker on it. Look, 19 cents. That was a good deal. I will probably cut some of these away and add them to different things. Even though this one's kind of wiggly, I'm not going to cut it off just yet. And I also got these little guys to go with those little houses. Did he say pots? Houses? I'm not sure. It's a German name for houses, so if you know, leave it in the comments below. So I'm going to add that to my little village. And I also got, I found one of these little ones. This will go perfect in the little trees in the hall. And this was $1.95. Vintage for the last 2 years, in my opinion, is so hot. So get ready to pay this year, but there's nothing like vintage. And look at this garland. Look how pretty. I'm trying to be careful with it because I noticed, look at this. And I'm hoping that I didn't do that. Now I got to figure out, do I need to cut it away or just leave it on there? But it's beautiful. It's going to go perfect in the hall, maybe around one of those little small trees. And of course I got the Santa blow mold. He had these were brand new, and he put with it. So he's a good size. I'm not quite sure where I'm going to put him, but I'm sure he'll be somewhere in this house. Okay, so then I got to talking with Billy, and I saw all these boxes. They were empty, and I asked him, I said, well, will you sell me those? And he said, yes, I will. And I thought, I love them, but what would I do with them? And so he gave me some ideas of like maybe stacking them in like a little wagon, maybe with some greenery, or even a Santa Claus in with them. And I thought, perfect. So after that, I ran with it. I found this one. It is so cool. So cool. So let me show you one of them. There's only 3 in there. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I think I could do a whole tree with these. So I will definitely be on the lookout for these. And then he had this. Now, I remember my mother doing this one year. Didn't think anything about it. And of course, after I get a box, because this box is absolutely beautiful, I'm like, oh, well, what does this say? It has a caution on it. Can you believe that? Look. Oh my goodness. And then wash your hands. And do you think we honestly washed our hands? We didn't even look at the instructions. And then I went around the corner because they were talking about food. And it had been a while since I had eaten. And I was just a little hungry. And then they started talking about fried bologna. Well, I know I didn't need any fried bologna, but I'm going to tell you something. At the Bluebird Cafe around the corner, where they have ice cream and all kinds of stuff, I'm like, yeah, let's go over there and look. So, of course, while I was waiting on my sandwich, I had to look around. And I found these. Isn't that pretty? Look at those little bells. Now, this little box was $25. The box itself is absolutely beautiful. And it has all of the ornaments, and the ornaments are not broke. So I felt like that was a good buy. And guys, watch this name when you're out shopping for your vintage. And then they had this box. This box was $12. And I thought, okay, I could decorate with that. This box was $10. Now, I believe I've got some bulbs out there that I could kind of take this apart and kind of put it back in and then add the bulbs to it. So this will definitely go in with my decorations. Okay, guys, so I had such a good time. I hope you enjoy this little trip. It is the very first one that I think I've done like 12 little bits and pieces of little videos that I'll be able to put together. I know you guys are so excited that I'm able to do that now. Alrighty, so when I get off here, play with my fun treasures. Oh, and this is Merry Christmas to me, Susan. I hope you do that, guys. Go pick out something that you like. Alrighty, so I guess that's it. I do want to kind of make you aware it's getting close to that season. And there's always somebody that's going to hack into some of your videos. Now, nobody has. But I have seen other YouTubers that I watch that has. So if you get anything from me that says you have won something, please email me, text me back. Don't do it. Automatically delete it. And my suggestions to you is if you get that from other YouTubers, do the same thing. Let's see if we can get a jump on this Christmas hackers. Alrighty, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I had such a good time. And maybe I'll do this again, especially since I know how. Alrighty, guys. Have a fabulous day. Enjoy every moment. Bye.